myself. I do it to relax.
Grumpy's other hobbies are cheesy and wrestling. Hey, neighbor, would you like to wrestle Grumpy?
Never thought that, never. Dopey does the very hat trick for all I can. It's way better than the shot in the hat trick. Tell her thanks. Now, what do you want to do?
Breakfast ready.
That means actually, we were wondering if we could see your mind.
Ready, Rudy?
Let's go. What are you doing?
Changing staring, Grumpy. It's the labeling in the but you got away with it. Ever hear of the Blues?
Not really. I don't think so.
The Blues are always trying to get into our minds. Why not do? So we have to make the way in our secret.
Who are they? I know I've seen those two before. Are you sure? His blue hair, her pink purple dude, he's not that phony lover. Oh, it's a blue. Thank you for the get into the mind.
Remains part of our kinds of motion, premonitions and time. We call this closet. It's the smallest room in the mine. Never know what to find down here.
Like the Rock of Sages?
Never heard of it.
Happy! Oh, happy! Wow.
We just get excited. Nothing against it, believe me.
That sounds familiar.
Wait till you see what we got in here.
No, we're going in this door. I'm locking it.
Oh, you don't want to know what's there, neighbor. Our rubbish and rock removal system is in there.
No, you don't want us to go in there because that's where you get the rock of Sages.
Never heard of it, neighbor.
Oh, another mystery.
I did not see that coming.
This is the key to that room.
Sorry, that's your responsibility to everybody, especially you.
Oh, yeah, well, I am a bad actor.
Hey, neighbor. Mind if I borrow your keys? Rabbit, you're all right. Where are the glue?
They got my keys.
Everyone wants to wrestle me.
You can take him, Grim. He can't no stop.
They sure did. Rubbish in, rubbish out. Sounds like the clothes are getting recycled.
This is the worst day ever!
Still wish we had next door neighbors. Not those neighbors, but
Look out there, Happy. What do you see?
that's on houses all over town.
They're all your neighbors, Happy.
You're right now.
I know.
I'm going to invite all my neighbors over for supper.
Everyone in Jollywood?
Yeah. Better get cracking, fellas. We gotta make a lot of whoopsies.
We'll be right back to the 7D part of your summer education on Disney XD.
It's your time to start during the summer, so enjoy your family time. Your breakfast time. And your adventure time. And get a free night for your next time. Save 3 separate times and get a free night. Learn more at BlackWestern.com.